Welcome back to my channel. This is Dan Rock, and in today's video I'm going to show you the installation of this navigation, phone holder, camera holder, extension bar onto my 2023 Honda Rebel 500, which is behind me. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. So this is what currently my handlebars look like. I have a phone holder which I'm not using anymore, and I'm going to be replacing this to a quad lock. And this is the holder for my Insta360, which we're going to be moving to the extension bar, which I'm going to install behind this gauge cluster. It's going to go right here, which I'm going to show you next. So this is where it's going to go and attach back here. For this job, you're going to need T-handle Allen wrench. This is a metric one, size 5, or this ratchet with the socket and the hex bit, which is also size 5. And make sure you're using the metric one. So choose either this one or this one. I'm gonna go with this ratchet and the hex bit with the socket. It's gonna be easier to work these couple screws which need to come out. Okay, this one also great, but I've tried using this T-bar, and especially this side, it's gonna strip the screws, so I'm not gonna use that. And this is just not easier to maneuver this handle. I'm gonna go ahead and undo these screws. I'm gonna start with this one first. Loosen them up. Okay, I got that one. And let's do this side. All right, perfect. Now I can just undo this by hand. Okay, one's out. Let's remove this one. All right, and this one's out. So before I do anything else, I gotta remove my Insta360 holder right here. It's in the way. Extension bar is gonna go under this part. Just gonna slide under. Just make sure you fit it nicely in there. And you're just gonna align everything. Let me show you a little bit closer. I just slid it under this plastic, and you can see it should be aligning. We're gonna put the screws back in. All right, just like that. Make sure those screws are tight with our wrench. Now that we have completed the installation of the handlebar extender, I'll take a look. Looks really good over here. Those screws are tight. It's not gonna go anywhere. And that I have removed the phone holder and an Insta360 from here. This looks much cleaner. I like the look of it. This sits right perfectly right in the middle. That's what I want to see. I'm gonna go ahead and just put the Insta360 holder up here. This is exactly what I was looking for a long time, and finally found one. And this is very easy to attach my accessories to, like my Insta or the phone mount. I love it. I love it. So let me know in the comment section below this video what you think about this. Is this something you maybe been looking for? Make sure you subscribe, because in about a month or so I'm gonna give you an honest review of what I think about this. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, subscribe, like this video, comment. It helps me a lot. Helps me to make more videos like this for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy riding.